Hi, I have a Haier HLC 1700X with an FC error code. Seems common. I replaced mainboard and still experiencing issue. Looking for ideas. Thanks.
How old is your Haier appliance?
2.5 years.
What have you tried so far with your Haier appliance?
I replaced mainboard.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not at this point, thanks.
Hello, I'm Ray and would be happy to help you. Usually that error code is the motor. Are you going to do the repair yourself?
Thanks for the follow-up.
What part of the cycle does it give you that error? Are you there?
Thanks. About 10 to 20 seconds after start.
I looked up all the parts on several websites and it's no longer available.
Thanks, though you have a part hash. Thanks, do you have a part hash?
https://www.reliableparts.ca/lookup/2775770/2166169 diagram. That shows the diagram and all the part number.
Greatly appreciated.
I would check the wires and harnesses first. Will it go into drain?
Will do. Seemed like it did once and it will start most cycles. Haven't seen any drum movement. Draining it manually. Is there an unlock for door?
Those motors rarely ever go out.
I'll check wiring. Eck. Thanks.
Good luck to you and I will be here for you if you need anything later on. Take care.
Will do and much appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.